Before you buy AI Professor, pause this video for just a moment. Because this is not just another AI tool, and it's definitely not what most people think it is. In this video, I'll show you exactly what AI Professor does, who it's actually for, the real pros and cons, and whether it's worth your money or not. Plus, if you decide to get it, I'm offering a $497 bonus bundle completely free. Let's get straight into it. AI tools are everywhere right now, but most of them overwhelm beginners or require experience to use properly. AI Professor positions itself differently. It claims to act like a personal AI mentor, guiding you step by step on how to use AI for content creation, productivity, business tasks, and online growth, even if you're starting from scratch. But does it actually deliver? Let's break it down. AI Professor is an AI-powered training and assistance platform designed to help users understand and apply AI tools correctly. Instead of dumping features on you, it focuses on teaching how AI works, showing how to apply AI practically, guiding you through real use cases and helping beginners avoid confusion. Think of it less like a tool, and more like an AI coach plus learning system. Everything is structured so you can follow along step by step without technical knowledge. Key features and benefits here are the main features that stand out inside AI Professor. Guided AI learning system, you're not left guessing what to do. The system explains AI concepts in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Practical AI use cases, it shows how AI can be used for content creation, marketing tasks, productivity, online business support and everyday automation. Beginner-friendly design, no coding, no tech overwhelm. Everything is explained clearly and logically. Time-saving automation ideas. Instead of learning AI theory, you learn how to apply AI to save time and effort immediately. Works even if you're new to AI, you don't need experience. This is built specifically for people who feel lost with AI tools. Honest pros and cons. Now let's be real. Here are the honest pros and cons. Pros: very beginner-friendly, structured learning approach, clear explanations, practical, real-world applications and helps remove AI confusion. Cons: not a push-button money system, requires learning and applying. Best results come with consistency and advanced users may want more depth. This is an education plus guidance platform, not a shortcut or magic button. So, is AI Professor legit? Yes, if your goal is to understand AI properly and use it effectively, especially as a beginner. If you're looking for instant results without learning anything, this won't be for you. But if you want clarity, structure and real AI guidance, AI Professor is a solid choice. Now here's where this gets even better. If you grab AI Professor using the link below, I'll give you my exclusive $497 AI Growth Bonus Bundle, completely free. My $497 bonus bundle includes bonus number 1: AI Prompt Library for Beginners, $97. Ready-to-use prompts for content, marketing, productivity and automation. Bonus number 2: Faceless AI Video Creation Blueprint, $77. Step-by-step guide to creating AI-powered videos without showing your face. Bonus number 3: AI Content Monetization Guide, $67. Learn how to turn AI skills into income opportunities. Bonus number 4: DFY AI Workflow Templates, $57. Plug and play AI workflows to save hours of work. Bonus number 5: Beginner Affiliate Marketing with AI, $67. How to combine AI tools with affiliate marketing. Bonus number 6: AI Traffic Starter Checklist, $67. Simple traffic strategies you can use alongside AI tools. Bonus number 7: Canva AI Thumbnail and Visual Pack, $65. High center visuals optimized for AI-related content. Click the link in the description to get AI Professor plus my full bonus bundle for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.